How to withdraw money from Treasure NFT to bank account. Let's get started. So to do this, first you need to convert the NFT to your fiat. So if you sold an NFT, the proceeds will likely be in cryptocurrency, and you'll need to convert this cryptocurrency to your desired fiat currency like USD within the Treasure NFT platform. Then locate the withdrawal option. So look for a cash out or a withdraw button, which is usually found in your wallet or your account section of the platform. Then you want to select the bank account. So choose your linked bank account as the destination of the funds. Then enter the amount and confirm. So specify the amount you want to withdraw and review any associated fees before confirming the transaction. And then lastly, you want to wait for the processing. So wait for the withdrawal, which will be processed according to the platform's procedures and the blockchain network use. Be aware that some withdrawals may take longer due to network congestion or other factors. And before that, make sure to take notes of these important considerations like the fees, verification, network congestion, and some platform specific instructions.